Hi, welcome to my channel ShopZone. Are you looking for best products on Amazon? Here will best products review on Amazon. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 cell phone, unlocked Android smartphone, 256GB, compact, foldable design, one-hand control, best selfies, 12MP camera, large cover screen, US version, 2023, lavender. About this item: purse, pocket and palm perfect. Flex the pocket perfect and powerful Galaxy Z Flip 5, with its innovative design. This compact phone is packed with a big personality. Do more single-handedly, with flex window, the large cover screen you can use while compact. Galaxy Z Flip 5 single-handedly takes convenience to a whole new level. Simply reply to texts, change songs, and snap photos with just one hand. Show off your best selfie. Meet your new selfie bestie. Find the perfect angle with a cover screen that lets you clearly preview pics live before capturing. Then, snap your share-worthy shot with the best camera on Galaxy Z Flip 5 large screen, easier access, with customizable widgets and a full cover screen. Galaxy Z Flip 5 is always open even when it's closed. Complete tasks in a flash, like sending texts, answering calls, accessing your calendar, and even snapping selfies personalized from the outside in. Unfold ultimate personalization with flex window on Galaxy Z Flip 5. Decorate your cover screen with cute pet selfies, unique frames, and customizable clock styles. Plus, access your favorite widgets in a flash. Hold a conversation, not your phone. Put your Z Flip 5 in flex mode and do more at once with hands-free video calling. Catch up with family while fixing your favorite recipe, or get ready for a night out while chatting with friends. Multiple angles, perfect shots. Take stunning selfies hands-free with Galaxy Z Flip 5 open or closed. Capture more angles more ways, either in flex mode or with the full cover screen that allows you to use the best camera on Z Flip 5. Capture it all hands-free, in flex mode. Record share-worthy video without holding your phone. Whether it's your dance moves, an outdoor adventure, or time with family, capturing life's best moments is extremely easy with hands-free recording. Impressively compact. See heads turn and jaws drop when you unfold Galaxy Z Flip 5, with a unique folding design and a full cover screen. Flexing your phone is easier than ever.
That's nice.